Welcome to episode 24. This is the Portfolio Manager Coding Session series. And today we're going to be debugging the code to fetch the balances from exchanges, right? So let's take a quick look of what we had. Remember, we put this inside Portfolio Engine. So this is what we're going to debug. So let's put a breakpoint there. Very simple stuff. What I did was to create an API key at Binance and put it at this config. Then I at my portfolio engine, portfolio manager task, I create a key reference, okay, and point it to that key. So I'm going to run this guy just like this. Okay, it is running. Then I'm going to send a debug command. Now it's debugging, and I'm going to execute the session here. So I expected this to stop here. Okay, so it didn't stop because we are doing not a live session, but a backtesting session. So let me reformulate this. I'm going to turn this backtesting portfolio into live. Okay, now it's live. So I'm going to run this again. Then I'm going to debug. Yeah, and I'm going to put a breakpoint here instead. So we run. Go, go, go. So where are you, man? Okay. Okay, your strategy depends on multi-time frame daily, blah, blah, blah. Find not found. Yeah, the problem is that for live trading, you need to be running your data mining operation because live trading feeds itself with the live candles. So at least I need this to be running. So let's run this. I will run everything just to be 100% sure. Oh. This is loading the whole history of this. I don't know why. No, it's from January. Yeah, to 2021. I don't want to know why. Because I already had this information. Maybe I deleted. It's a little bit strange. Something is not right. So let me see what's going on. My data storage. Data mining, data mine, candles, candle volume. So it looks like I have all this data. So why is it loading it again? I don't know. I don't really want to calculate all this stuff, but I'm not sure I want to get into this rabbit hole of seeing why this is loading this again. No, I'm not going to do this. Okay, I will try to avoid doing this. We're going to cancel this. So let's go back to the drawing board. I will switch this again to backtesting, and I will change the code here so that we are going to do this at the backtesting, and hopefully everything is going to be fine. But also I will want to see what happens when I initialize this guy. Okay, so let's go. I just need to know if this code is running, nothing else. So debug and run. Okay, so we are going to come here, F10, F11. Okay, so we will quickly check this out. Okay, we are having the key, the secret, and then I'm going to delete and define, and all this is good. So this change constructor, apply the secret, and we can let it run. Then we will do this. This is backtesting, but we are going to pretend that it's not. So we're going to do a fetch balances. And now that we have the balances, we should have something for USDT. So see that here it says free use total. Okay. So USDT we have 0.8. Okay, so we are good. So essentially we are coming here and we say the following. We have two session parameters. The code name is BDC. So we're going to name this BDC. And then, okay, problem there. Okay, let's try it again. I think that this is exchange money. So let's follow this path. Portfolio engine, current, exchange manage assets, exchange manage assets, exchange manage assets. This is plural again because it's an array. sub E. Then we have this guy. Okay, as initial balance, blah blah blah. Okay, so now I think it should work. So let's go here, debug, and run. So we go again. Where is the problem now? Cannot be properly of undefined. So exchange manage assets. This is this node. Don't tell me these also have a singular stuff. Yes. Okay, so we need to change the definition of this add project. Portfolio management. Exchange manage assets. This should be plural. And the property here, exchange manage asset, should be like this. Okay. So let's reload this. But anyway, let's check this code. Asset free balance. We will see. Okay, so let's check this out. Exchange manage asset. We're going to add two of these guys. Okay. Okay. So here we have all the nodes that we need. We're going to save this again. Okay, so I got it. Let's run this again. So what do we have here for these crashes? Asset free balance. Exchange manage asset. Okay, this doesn't have children. The reason for this is because they are not listed at the session function. Task function, server, portfolio session function. Exchange ma so here we need to add this stuff. Asset initial balance. Asset free, locked and total. Free, locked and total balance. Okay, so we will have to refresh because we changed the code at the UI, but we're almost there. Almost there. Okay, so we run again. Debug. So now this shouldn't be undefined. No, it's not. But still we have a problem here. Why balances is false? But I giving you the API key. What is this? Didn't I give you the API key? Don't tell me I didn't save this. My God. Okay. Add API key reference. Connect this to here. And save the workspace. Also, this shouldn't be undefined or false. Okay, let's try it again. Debug. Run. Okay, so now we're talking about BDC. and this. So after running this, if we check out the portfolio engine, we would see this. This is in fact is not the name but the value. Okay, that is the value. But we would see this portfolio management, portfolio current, not the episode but the exchange manage assets, two assets, name BTC and USD. That's not what we want. BTC, no, USDT. We had asset free balance 0.8, which is correct. Asset initial balance 0.8, locked balance 0, total balance 0.8. And just like that, we have our fetching process working. Okay, so the only things that I need to fix now are this issue when I'm fetching the balances for backtest, which shouldn't be, only for live trading. Okay, also I'm going to change this for fetch all balances, because that is a more clear name for what we are doing. Okay, so here we are going to do like this. Yes, yes, and yes. This no. Okay, and the rest is okay. All right, so to summarize, we have debugged the code to fetch balances and put the balances at the portfolio engine to be used at conditional formulas. It works. Balances are only going to be fetched at live trading. When we are not live trading, but when we are backtesting, then a simulation need to be created, okay? And that is out of scope of this current episode and probably for this iteration of the portfolio manager. So with all this done, I have in my list only one bug that is reported when we run from different dates the portfolio manager and the trading bot. Okay, So that would be the scope of the next session. So this is over. Thank you for watching and see you next time.